Welcome to Getembe Electricals. Today I'm going to show you how to install smoke sensor or carbon monoxide sensor. So this is how it looks. This is the base of the smoke detector or sensor, and this is the battery, and then you have the smoke sensor itself, or rather the smoke detector. So first connect your battery like this. Make sure it's tight as usual, and then you return it to this small port here so that it can be able to. Okay, now we have this plastic switch here which will automatically activate when you mount the base, and then you lock the smoke sensor here. So as you can see here, it will activate, it will switch the smoke sensor on. So that part, and then we have the locks. It's as simple as that. So let's mount the base first. This is where you will press to test the alarm if it's working. So we are going to mount it. First you mark the two sides so that you use your screws, your self-tapping screws, like that. You mark, and then you mark this other side to make sure it's tight, or rather it's firm. It's firm. So now we have marked, and now we have to mount it with the self-tapping screws. As you can see, this is how it looks like, and you make sure it will hold the sensor. So now after mounting the base, you just put your smoke sensor like this, or smoke detector, and then you test. As simple as that. Like and subscribe for you to see our other videos. Thanks a lot.